Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to register a domain name. First you need to go to namecheap.com. Namecheap is a very well trusted and reliable domain registrar, and they host thousands of domain names, so you can be rest assured that your domain name will be fine. So what you need to do first is go to namecheap.com and then enter in the domain name of your choice in this field here. So I'm going to put in mine, which is just a example, yourchoiceofdomainname.com. You can choose the extension. For this purpose, I'll choose a .com, which is the most common. I would highly recommend you either choose a .com. If the .com isn't available, you can choose a .net or .org. I don't recommend any other extensions as it's not quite as search engine friendly as a .com, .net or .org. So stick to .coms, .net or .org. Simply do a search and check if it's available. If it's available, then you can register it straight away. And as you can see, it's available and you can add to cart. Now, if it's not available, you don't need to worry. You can either choose a .net or .org, or you can choose a different domain name. So you can change it around in different variations of your choice. So if you want to go ahead and register your domain name, simply add to cart and follow these steps here. So I would simply go to Express Checkout and then simply fill in the form and make your purchase. This will guarantee you'll secure the domain name of your choice. So that concludes this video.